English alphabet phonics sounds. Let's go! Apple. Boy. Cat. Dog. Elephant. Fish. Guitar. Hedgehog. Igloo. Jump. Kite. Lollipop. Monkey. Nest. Octopus. Pig. Queen. Rainbow. Snake. Tree. Umbrella. Vroom. Water. Fox. Yogurt. Zebra. Woohoo! Great job! Keep practicing and you will master the phonics. I'm Teacher Andy. Thanks for following along. I hope this was helpful for you and your learners at home. Stay tuned for more content. Please like and subscribe this video and share it with your friends. I'm Teacher Andy. See you next time.